Hi, just a quick one today. In my last video I mentioned that PCBWay are currently celebrating their 6th anniversary, and because of that they put up a promotional page on their website. And if you are thinking about getting some PCBs made, now's your chance to save a bit of cash. So if you visit the link in the description down below, you can have a look at their website, and what they've got is some coupons anywhere from $5 all the way up to $200 off your order, depending on how much you're spending. Also, they've got a lucky draw where you can potentially win some gifts, and then they've got a sale on various categories. So they've got a sale on their PCBs, on their PCB assembly service. They've also got reduced pricing on their advanced PCBs, which are the professional boards to IPC standards. And then interestingly, also on their FlexiRigid and FPC boards. So if you were thinking about getting something a little bit more exotic made, now's your chance to get those at a really accessible price. Finally, if you are interested, there's the opportunity to vote for your favourite YouTuber at the very bottom of the page. And also, this competition, I think, is open to everyone. So if you want to upload your own video there and call people in to vote for it, then you can do. So thank you for supporting the channel. The link is in the description down below. And also thank you to PCBWay for the merchandise, which I'm wearing today. So until next time, thanks for watching.